Hi, greetings of the day. I am Dr. K. Raghu Mohan Reddy, Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. The course is Computer Aided Engineering. The topic is Computer Numerical Control of Machine Tools, and the lecture number is 30K. So in my previous presentation, we have seen about the special construction of NC machines. So above NC machines, we are having CNC machines. Now, in this, the students are able to explain the computer numerical control of machine tools with the present lecture. Okay? Right. CNC. Already we have seen NC means numerical control. That means this is somewhat hardwired. Okay? But whereas computer numerical control is software. We'll see. Computer numerical control, CNC, is an advanced form of NC control. Okay, numerical control, in which a computer is used to control machine tools automatically through programmed instructions. Okay, that's why I told NC is the hardware. Here we are using a computer. In CNC, we are using computer. Okay, use it to control machine tools automatically through programmed instructions. Okay, in CNC systems, machining operations are controlled by computers, software programs, electronic control systems. Okay, what are these? Computers, software programs must be built in those computer systems. Electronic control systems. Okay, electronic control systems to control the machine movements. Okay, these will be driven by the computer setups and the software programs. Okay, so computations and all these things will be performing by computers. Software programs will execute the or implements the work through the electronic control systems. Okay, so the machine performs operations automatically with high precision and repeatability. Okay, so this is all about the CNC, computer numerical control. Okay, so when compared to NC machines, CNC systems are advanced. Okay, here we are using a computer system, software programs, and electronic control systems. There also we are using program of instructions, but there it receives the program of instructions on the punch tape, olden technology. But here the technology is advanced. Okay, here we are using computers and software programs. Okay, so prefixed programs would be available in the machine itself. Okay, for regular operations. Okay, else the operator or the manufacturer can write the program and he can build in the computer systems, okay, for repeated operations. We'll see. Definition of CNC. A computer numerical control, that is CNC machine tool, is a machine tool controlled by a computer that executes programmed instructions to perform machining operations automatically. So here no human intervention. Here the program of instructions will be received by the machine tool through machine control unit, and the machining operations are performing automatically. Basic concepts of CNC. Basic concepts of CNC. In conventional machines, the operator controls machine movement manually. Okay. In traditional, the operator have to control the machine movements manually. Okay. In NC machines, instructions are given through punched tapes. Okay, instructions are given through punched tapes. These are not reliable. Why? Because we are punching on the tape, so that we are using those olden punch tapes to receive the program of instructions in the NC machines. But in CNC machines, okay, the computer controls tool movement, feed rate, spindle speed, tool changing, machining sequence. Okay, a computer stores and processes machining programs digitally. Okay, digitally. A computer stores and processes machining programs digitally. The computer controls all these things: tool movement, feed rate, spindle speed, tool changing, machining sequence. All these are taken care by the CNC machines. Almost 90% is similar to NC, but additionally here the computer systems and the corresponding software systems along with the high-end electronic systems, it is performing to do all these tool movements, feed rates, spindle speed, tool changing and machining sequence. Okay, here tool changing is not in NC. Okay, all other are as usual, but tool changing is not in the NC. Even high-end tool movement, feed rate are also not possible in the NC machines, but here okay, when compared to traditional machinery, these are okay. Okay, but when compared to CNC, NC machines are little poor. Okay, evolution of CNC technology. Okay, conventional machines fully manual operation. Numerical NC introduced numerical programming, used punched tapes. Okay, this is the problem here. Okay, computer numerical control uses computer memory and software, more flexible and accurate. Okay, here the program of instructions are not through punched tapes in CNC machines. We can give the code in the pen drive itself. We can the machines can take those inputs and it will give the work. Right. Main components of a CNC machine tool: input device, use it to enter the program into the CNC system. Use it to enter the program into the CNC system. That is tape reader. Okay. Examples: keyboard, USB drive, network transfer, CAD/CAM interface, or tape reader will take the input. Okay. We'll see. Okay. First we have to give the program of instructions in these CNC systems through input devices. Okay. Keyboard, USB drive, all this. How this tape reader will work? That means tape reader, what tape reader does? It reads the tape. Earlier we used that one, but later it has changed. Okay. Now machine control unit. So this one. Okay. Machine control unit. The MCU is the brain of the CNC system. Functions: reads program of instructions, processes data, sends commands to motors, controls machine operations. Okay, so here CNC machines, it is having software and hardware. Okay, so the program of instructions will be received by this MCU, and that this transforms this program of instructions to the electrical signals. So through these servo systems and hardware, software systems, it will operate the machine tool. Drive system provides motion to machine axis. Okay, so here various drive systems will be inbuilt in the machine control unit and machine tool setup, so that servo motors, feed drives, spindle drives will be operating, okay, through this drive system. Machine tool, this one final. Okay, so machine tool comprise all these setups. Okay, so all these, that means the drive setups. Okay, drive systems. So these drive systems will be activated through the machine control unit instructions or orders. Okay, so machine control unit converts the program of instructions into the signals, electrical signals. Okay, right. Machine tool performs the actual machining operation. Types: CNC machine, CNC milling machine, CNC machining center, and CNC grinding machine. Okay, CNC means computer numerical control. Okay, so in the present days we are using CNC, we are not using NC machines nowadays. Okay, all those NC machines became obsolete, outdated. Okay, see here we'll see the feedback system here. Okay, measures actual position and speed. Okay, measures actual position and speed. See, let us say this is a workpiece. Okay, it checks. Okay, I wanted to start my work from this point to this point. Okay, we have to bring the tool from home to this position. Okay, it has to measure whether it is reaching the desired position or not. It has to check, and if it is, suppose the moment it receives, it gives the feedback, motion feedback. Okay, just point not one is the deviation, like that it may give the signal. Okay, if it is exactly on that point, then it will give 0, otherwise it will give the deviation. So the feedback signal will give the deviation. The machine control system with encoder support, it will correct this one so that the tool will exactly position in the desired position. And even speeds, suppose if the required speed is 900 rpm. Okay, the moment we start, it may have some 899.95 rpm. So the feedback system will do the same. So again, the internal setup, okay, through encoders and all these things, it will set in terms of voltage and signals current. So it will reach the 900 rpm. Okay, right. Devices used here: encoders, linear scales, sensors. Purpose: detect errors, improve accuracy. Okay, once if we get the feedback, the duty of the feedback system will be useful. Okay, so similar to our classroom, the performance of the student is not good. If we get the feedback, if we don't change the mode of teaching, or if we won't take any corrective measures, what will happen? There is nothing use. Similarly, here also, if the tool is not reaching to the exact position, the feedback system will give the feedback. Yes, there is some deviation point, not one. So the internal system will have to, that means all these devices and setups should correct. Okay, this much voltage difference would be there. So in order to reach that position, we have to compensate in terms of voltage or current. So it makes the exact positioning. Similarly, towards speed. Okay, if the speed of the spindle is, let us say, 900 rpm, desired one. Okay, so the moment it rotates, it may have some 890, later something 895. Okay, finally it will reach around 900, but it may not be exactly 900. Okay, so this feedback system will give the deviation. So the internal setup system will compensate to reach the 900 rpm. Okay, that is about the feedback system. Okay, display unit. Display unit shows program details. See here, we can see all those program details on the screen. Okay, it shows program details, coordinates, XY coordinate system. Okay, XYZ coordinate system that we can visualize on the screen. Next, errors. It displays the errors. Okay, next, machine status. Machine status, nothing but how much oil is, lubricating oil is present in that. Okay, and how much time that it will take to complete that work. Okay, and how many hours that the machine tool can perform the work. Okay, that means without any disturbances, how long these machines can make and how many cycles that the spindle can rotate, like that. That every information will be displayed on the display screen. Okay, that is about the display unit. Okay, through display unit we can edit the values, okay, dynamically. Okay, but once if the program is freezed and come to running condition, we cannot change in the CNC machine. But before going to work, we need to check the simulation. Okay, that simulation will be seen in this screen, and we can definitely come to a conclusion, yes, whether the given program of instructions are perfectly all right or not. Okay, these are our requirements or not, that we can see here. Okay, suppose if there is any change of dimension, that we can change, okay, before going to perform the work after simulation. Okay, simulation will give the just a simulation of tool, okay, and how it travels, okay, and how much time that it will take, like that the information will be given. Okay, the simulation time will be very less, but the actual work time will be given in the system. Okay, so based on the depth of cut, tool material, everything, okay, it has to calculate that, it will give that, it displays the total work time. Next, working principle of CNC machine tools, step by step working. Okay, step 1, program preparation. The machining process is written using G codes, M codes. G codes means geometry codes, M codes means machining codes or miscellaneous codes. Okay, so G codes represents X, Y, Z directions and rotational speeds and change of tools, everything. Okay, program input. Program is entered into the CNC controller. Okay, step 3, data processing. The MCU interprets instructions. Step 5, feedback and correction. Sensors compare actual and desired positions. That's what we have discussed. Okay, machining operation. The tool performs operations automatically. Okay, so these are the various steps. Now, difference between NC and CNC. Okay, features. Let us discuss NC versus CNC. Okay, about control method. This is hardwired. We have discussed. This is completely software, completely computer control. Here, program storage, punched tape. This is not reliable in NC machines, but in CNC, digital memory. Okay, flexibility is less in NC, very high in CNC. Editing program, difficult, easy, but before starting the operation. Okay, here we are using punch tapes now, so editing of the program is not possible. Accuracy high when compared to traditional machinery. Okay, but CNC will have high accuracy. Okay, automation moderate and advanced. Okay, while comparing to traditional machinery, okay, automation is moderate, but when compared to traditional and NC, this is advanced. Okay, right. So we see the other features of the CNC. Okay, key features include automatic operation, high accuracy, multi-axis control, digital programming, feedback systems. All these features, key features, including the CNC system when compared to NC system. Okay, CNC is a computer-based automated machining system used to control machine tools with high precision and efficiency. Okay, so this is the conclusion. And CNC machine tools are essential in modern industries because they provide precision, speed, reliability, flexibility, high quality production. Okay, so with this I am concluding about the CNC. Okay, so with this concluding, thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.